Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best solar watches in 2025. Timepieces that combine style, durability, and eco-friendly innovation to keep you powered up wherever you go. If you love discovering the latest and greatest gadgets, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you don't miss out on future reviews. And if any of these amazing solar watches catch your eye, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting off our list, the Gosasa Men's Outdoor Sports Solar Watch is built for those who love an active lifestyle. Powered by solar energy, it's both eco-friendly and long-lasting, ensuring reliable performance even if the built-in battery runs out. This multifunctional military-inspired watch includes auto date, alarm, 12 or 24-hour format, LED display, stopwatch, shock resistance, and a bright backlight for night use. With its lightweight design, large and easy-to-read face, and 50-meter water resistance, it's perfect for sports, swimming, rainy days, or just daily wear. A rugged, budget-friendly choice for anyone who wants durability and convenience without compromising style. At number 4, the Garmin fēnix 8 is a powerhouse for athletes and adventurers. Featuring a 1.4-inch solar-charged display with a scratch-resistant sapphire lens, titanium bezel, and built-in LED flashlight, this watch is ready for any challenge. Its battery life is simply incredible, lasting up to 48 days in smartwatch mode with solar charging and an impressive 149 hours in GPS mode. With real-time stamina tracking, strength training plans, built-in sports apps, and detailed performance metrics like training readiness scores, it pushes your fitness journey to the next level. Plus, with a built-in mic and speaker, you can make calls, respond to texts, and use your phone's voice assistant, all from your wrist. Coming in third, the Garmin quatix 7 X Solar is designed specifically for marine enthusiasts. It features a rugged design with a scratch-resistant power sapphire lens, always-on 1.4-inch display, and quick-fit band system. The watch offers both touchscreen and traditional button controls, giving you easy operation in any condition. Its connectivity with Garmin chart plotters and marine devices allows you to control chart zoom, autopilot, and even fusion stereo systems right from your wrist. You'll also get access to tide data, anchor drag alerts, waypoint marking, and navigation with multi-band GNSS for extreme accuracy. At number 2, the Ellis solar-powered watch brings a touch of elegance to our list. Designed with a sleek 43mm case, aluminum tachymeter bezel, and a stylish steel mesh band, it perfectly balances business casual with sporty versatility. Powered entirely by light, this eco-friendly timepiece eliminates the need for battery changes and offers a 4-month power reserve from a single full charge. It's water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it suitable for daily wear and light water activities. If you're looking for a solar watch that's simple, stylish, and practical, this one makes a fantastic gift, or a classy addition to your own collection. Finally, taking the top spot is the Garmin fēnix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar. This multi-sport GPS watch is built tough with a 47mm fiber-reinforced polymer case, titanium bezel, and a scratch-resistant power sapphire solar lens that delivers weeks of battery life. It's packed with advanced features, including a built-in LED flashlight with strobe modes, hill score for measuring climbing strength, endurance score for tracking long-term progress, and full 24/7 health monitoring with HRV, pulse ox, and advanced sleep tracking. Whether you're training, hiking, or tackling outdoor adventures, the fēnix 7 Pro is the ultimate combination of performance, durability, and solar-powered innovation.